Tailscale versus Wireguard versus Cloudflare. In today's video, we are going to learn an honest comparison between Tailscale, Wireguard, and Cloudflare Tunnel to help you decide which one is the best for you. So the first one is Tailscale, Wireguard, and Cloudflare Tunnel serve different purposes. Over here, we have the first one, that is Wireguard. Wireguard is a raw VPN protocol that is fast but requires manual setup. So the next one is Tailscale. Tailscale is built on Wireguard but adds ease of use, net traversal, and access control. It is great for users who want a simple, secure, private VPN network. Next one is Cloudflare Tunnel. Cloudflare Tunnel is not a VPN but a zero-trust tunneling service that secures web apps without exposing IP addresses. It is the best choice for enterprise security in web application. When choosing between them, pick Tailscale if you want an easy-to-use private VPN for secure remote access. Pick Wireguard if you need the fastest, most customizable VPN and are comfortable with manual configuration. Pick Cloudflare Tunnel if you need zero-trust security for web application instead of a traditional VPN. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.